Hi, this is Devin from Vive Health Customer Service. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Vive Stand Assist rail. Included with your order will be one center crossbar, two curved bars, two L pieces, two arm inserts, 4 small screws, 2 large screws, 6 bolts, and 1 Allen wrench. Step 1, fit the short end of one of the curved bars into the center crossbar here. You want to make sure that the center crossbar is oriented so that this little square cut hole is facing out and the larger circular hole here is facing in. We'll set that there. Fit those together to the desired width of the rail here. With those fitted together, we'll then fit one of our bolts in through the inside into the circular hole and one of the screws through the outside. The screw will push that bolt out just a little bit, but that will allow you to tighten it with the Allen wrench. And now you'll do the same with the opposite piece on the opposite end. Just make sure that they're adjusted to the same width before you proceed. Step 2, now that we have the crossbar connected to the curved rails, we'll go ahead and attach one of the L-shaped bars here. Just the same as we did with the crossbar, you want to make sure that the square hole is pointing outward and the larger circular hole is facing inward. Now you'll align those with one of the 4 adjustment holes here. And you'll want to make sure that when you fit the other one in a moment, that you adjust both of them to the same length. Make sure all the holes align. Fit a screw in from the outside. And one of the little bolts from the inside. And tighten them down with the Allen wrench. Get those fastened together, and you'll just do the same thing on the other side of the rail. Step 3, now that I have the L-shaped rails attached to the curved rails, we'll go ahead and install the padded hand grips here. Now the padded hand grip has the 4 adjustment holes, just like the rail did here. And in the same way, we're gonna fit them into the sockets on the ends of the L-shaped rail with the foam handle pointed in toward the rest of it. Just like we did before, we'll fit it down until the screw hole aligns. We'll get our hardware here. The screw coming in from the outside and the nut from the inside. Get those to align, tighten those down with the Allen wrench. Now you'll install the other hand grip on the opposite side, same way we did here. That'll get everything assembled. From there, you can compare it to the seat cushion, the couch, the armchair that you need to install it in. If it needs any adjusting, you can adjust the hardware from here, and that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.